Today we're looking at a property in the Laurel Grove area. It's a 1964 home with a huge RV garage and workshop setup, offering a live-work opportunity with both residential and commercial zoning. This home sits on a 0.24-acre county lot with a well and septic. Outside, you'll notice both a front porch and a back porch. Now let's talk about what really sets this property apart. The standout feature here is the 1,700 square foot RV garage and shop. It includes two tall doors at the front, one 8-foot wide, one 10-foot wide, both with a 14-foot clearance. There's also plenty of room to work, whether that's mechanical projects, woodworking, storage, or a combination of all three. This is a space that adds real utility to the property, especially for buyers that need vertical clearance, covered storage, or room to store equipment. Let's take a look inside at how the home is laid out. The home offers 1,755 square feet of interior space, with a layout that includes 3 bedrooms plus a rec room or flex room addition. The main living area is open and comfortable, and one of the details you'll notice right away is the wood plank ceilings with exposed beams, which adds a lot of character throughout this part of the house. The kitchen has built-in appliances and the original wood cabinets, although in very good condition. The bathroom spaces are consistent with the home's era and function well as they are. This is a property that's being sold as is, so buyers can decide over time what updates, if any, they want to make. The home includes 3 bedrooms. These rooms work well as traditional bedrooms, but they could also serve as offices or hobby rooms. One of the interior features here is the rec room or flex room addition. This space gives you a lot of flexibility. It could be used as an office, a hobby room, a workout space, or an additional living area. There's also yard space that's ready for gardening or projects, plus a greenhouse already in place for anyone who wants to extend their growing season. For anyone into the outdoors, the property is also conveniently located near the Lost Lake hiking trail at the end of McTimmons Road. This residential, commercially zoned property in Laurel Grove offers a home with potential and a substantial RV, garage, and shop. If you'd like more information or would like to schedule a showing, use the link in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.